morning students. Session 12, class 6, subject social science, topic types of diversity. Last class we learned about diversity in India. Today we are going to learn about remaining 4 types: social diversity, linguistic diversity, and cultural diversity, religious diversity. Before moving to the topic, let's see a small question session. How many types are there in diversity? I repeat the question. How many types are there in diversity? Answer. There are 5 types. Second question. List out the types of diversity. I repeat the question. List out the types of diversity. Answer. Landform and lifestyle diversity, social diversity, linguistic diversity, religious diversity, and cultural diversity. Let me explain social diversity. A community is a place where people living together with a common interest, our heritage. Our community is made up of peasants, laborers, artisans, parents, teachers, and many others. For a comfortable life, communities depend on each other. We will see about family and society. There are 2 types of families. First one is joint family, second is nuclear family. Families live in a harmonious neighborhood. Let's have a look into religious diversity. Religion in India is characterized by a diversity of religious beliefs and practice. In India, all religions are treated equally. The freedom of religion is our fundamental right. India is the birthplace of many religions and has become a home of many others. Buddhism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, and etc. flourished in India. Now, let's see the festival celebrated in India. India is a land of festivals. The wide variety of festivals celebrated in India. Festivals like Pongal, Deepavali, Vijayadashami, Ayudha Puja, Navaratri, Onam, Ramjam, Christmas, and etc. Some of the festivals that denoted the cultural diversity. Next is linguistic diversity. According to Census of India 2001, India has 122 major languages and 1599 other languages. 4 major Indian languages families are Indo-Aryan, Dravidian, Astrodic, and Sino-Tibetan. Tamil is the oldest Dravidian language. Historically, the Portuguese, the British, Dutch, the Danish, and the French came to India for trade. The British ruled over the entire country for over 300 years before independence in 1947. In due to course of English has emerged an important language and a medium of instruction in schools and college. It is widely used in official communication. Cultural diversity. The term of cultural refers to customs and practices of people, their language, dress code, food, religious, social habit, music, art and architecture. Art and architecture are an integral part of every community. Popular dance in India. In ancient times, dances was considered as a way to celebrate worship and also as a gesture of thanksgiving and joy. There are several styles of music practiced in India: the Hindustani, Carnatic, classical, folk music, and etc. Indian folk dance is a simple dance. Okay students, I hope you understand the new types of diversity and know its importance. I wind up my session here. Today homework. First question, list out the popular dance in India. I repeat the question. List out the popular dance in India. Second question, what are the 4 major Indian language families? I repeat the question. What are the four major Indian language families? Third question. What are the two types of families? I repeat the question. What are the two types of families? Thank you, students.